Hi everyone, welcome to shsirclasses. Today talking about the representation of root 6.3 on number line. So today representing root 6.3 on number line. So before starting the video, I have one request to you. Please subscribe channel and press the bell icon for future video notification. Okay, so first of all, drawing a line of any length here. Okay, and this is AX line. Okay, next taking the length 6.3 by scale, and this is 6.3. okay, so this is B point, and also this is starting number. Next, mark the numbers on the line from B to X. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. okay, so this is C point. Next, having to bisect the line AC, so putting the compass here and taking greater than half of AC and drawing an arc here and drawing an arc here. Okay, and with same length and putting the compass on the point A and cut the arc by this way. Okay, next joining this and which bisect at a point O. Next, having to draw a semicircle, so putting the compass here and taking the radius OA and OC and drawing a semicircle through the point A and C. So this is a semicircle. Okay, next drawing a 90-degree angle on the point B by protractor, so joining this and which made the semicircle at a point D. Okay, next joining O and D. Okay, now taking the length BD by compass. Okay, and drawing a arc which cut the number line at a point. Okay, this is P point, and this is the representation of root 6.3. so this is root 6.3. okay, now roughly discuss the calculation of root 6.3. so given AB equal to 6.3 centimeter, BC equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so AC equal to 6.3 plus 1 equal to 7.3 centimeter. Now radius OA, OD and OC equal to 7.3 by 2 centimeter, and OB equal to OC minus BC, and putting the value of OC and BC and calculating this, so this is 5.3 by 2 centimeter. Now right angle triangle OBD, we can write BD equal to root over OD square minus OB square, and putting the value of OD and OB, so 7.3 whole square minus 5.3 by 2 whole square. Okay, now applying the formula A square minus B square equal to A plus B, A minus B. So applying the formula here. Okay, so from first, so this is 6 and this is 12.6 by 2 in 2 by 2. Okay, so this is 6.3, root 6.3. so therefore BD equal to BP equal to root 6.3. that's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.